Let's replace the engine filter on the 2023 Honda Pilot. So you're going to need to pop your hood. This is where your hood latch is located. Okay, so we're under the hood. What are you going to need? You're going to need an 8mm socket, just like this. I have mine on a drill. You could have yours on a ratchet, but you're going to need that 8mm socket. If you don't have an 8mm socket, you can also use a regular Phillips head screwdriver, but this is going to be a little more difficult, so I'd recommend getting the 8mm socket. Okay, so this is where your engine filter is going to be, right here, and you're going to be focused on 3 points, right here, and right here. So get that 8mm or your Phillips head screwdriver and loosen each one of these bolts. Bolt number 2 and bolt number 3. Okay, so once all 3 of those bolts are loose, there's a little flap right here that you can lift up on. So lift up and it will come right up just like that. Wiggle it off and just put that to the side. And here is your engine filter. So mine's already been replaced, but when you're ready to replace yours, you just pull it out just like that. It comes right out, and you're gonna put your new one back in the same way the old one came out. And you can get your new engine filter at any local auto parts store, or better yet, your local Honda dealer. You just have to give them your vehicle's VIN number. All right, our new engine filter has been installed. Let's grab that cover. We're gonna put it back the same way it came out as well, with the backside facing that, just like this. All right, so get it in there just like I'm doing. You may have to kind of play with it a little bit. You want each side to be all the way down, so make sure it's all the way down, just like that. And once it's all the way down, grab that 8mm or your Phillips head screwdriver again and tighten each one of these bolts. You don't have to over tighten, but you do want them tight. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe for more tips like this.